Alright guys, so we've been prepping the International to start building the service bed and putting the crane on it. So I kind of got the frame cleaned up a little bit. We used tin foil to wrap the wiring and the air lines, and put a little bit of primer where there was some rust spots, so we cleaned all that up. Got the cab wrapped. We did get the toolboxes in. This one goes up against the cab. So, and then we got some metal. And here's the other box. It's going to go up on the bed piece. And so we're making some progress. So we're gonna get our paint ready and throw a little black paint on the frame just so it's nice and clean. So stand by. So we gotta wait for it to dry, and then we'll get it taken care of, and then we'll start mounting the toolboxes. For now, we're gonna go get the crane and bring it up here to the shop so we can start working on it. So we're gonna go get that now. Alright guys, so we're getting ready this morning to get the crane sandblasted. The sandblaster's on his way. We'll get all this schmutz off of here. 5 tons warming up. And so we'll just pick it up and suspend it from the air so we can get around most of it. If we have to flip it, we'll flip it. So yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. Alright guys, so we've got our epoxy primer mixed up and we're going to go head out and paint the crane real quick, just with a primer so it doesn't flash rust and all that stuff. So we're going to head out to the field where the truck is and get it painted. Alright guys, so we got the primer on there. Hopefully that'll keep it from rusting the next few days while I'm working with it. So there's all the primer. We'll probably put a little bit more primer on it later, but just for now. There's a lot of stuff I need to deal with on the crane before we start tearing into it. Like some of these old controls need to come off. Some other little bracketry needs to come off of there. And I need to build a stand real quick so it can stand in front of the shop while I'm doing some of the cutting and grinding and all that stuff. And then once that's done, then we'll set it on the truck. There's a few things on the truck that I need to move around, but it's not that big of a deal. It's just moving some airlines and then building the pads that go on the truck. This part of it will be welded and the other part will be bolted. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today. We will catch you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.